What's up, everybody? It's your local hero about to go in here to this cigar shop, Ash and Anvil out here in Gardner, Kansas. Finna check it out. Y'all finna come with me. It's superb. Never heard of them. So who rolls y'all cigars?
I'm not quite sure because he's working on getting a new line of house cigars.
Okay. I always get his house cigars love. A lot of people just roll past and I'm like, they roll by, real company.
House vanilla. Smells and tastes like cinnamon toast crunch.
I might have to get that for my brother. Yeah, I might have to. You said the house vanilla?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have
Saturday morning cartoons for adults. Which
Now hold on, you said the building. Hold on, the building dates back to
into the 1890s.
okay.
It's an old blacksmith shop.
Okay.
So you look up here and you see all the burnt rafters from where the forge was.
Yeah.
And we have the nails up here.
Oh yeah, I see those too.
We have here that's where the horseshoes would hang, or later on that's actually an automotive shop.
Okay.
So they would put the belts up there.
Okay.
But now back we have our patio bar called the Bellows.
The bellows. I saw that. Yeah.
Then next door we have our speakeasy called the Forge.
Okay.
The speakeasy is you have the secret code to get in. It's non-smoking, higher end drinks around the $15 range, $15 to $20 range.
Yeah.
But they change where they have a seasonal holiday menus. They set them on Valentine's, you get in St. Patty's Day, Mardi Gras type theme. The same way out back, they change out select menu items throughout the holiday seasons.
Okay.
Then we have our igloos that are around our fire pits. Right now, those are first come, first serve.
It's like the little dome things, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wednesday through Sundays.
Okay.
But yeah.
All right.